In today's video, I will walk you through how to summarize any YouTube video using Claude AI. First, open the YouTube video you want to summarize. This can be any video that has a transcript available. Once you're on the video page, scroll down below the title and find the description area. If the description is shortened, click More to expand it and display the full set of options. Next, find and click Show Transcript. This will open the transcript in a panel, usually on the right-hand side of the screen or below the video, depending on your device and browser layout. Once the transcript is visible, turn off timestamps, if that option is available. Then highlight the entire transcript and copy it. If the video is long, make sure you've captured all of the transcript before moving on. Now, go to Claude AI and start a new chat. In the message box, paste the full transcript you just copied. After pasting the transcript, type your request. Use the prompt, "Please remove the fluff and give me the actionable key points of this transcript." Then send the message and let Claude generate the summary. After a moment, Claude will provide a condensed version of the video with the key points from the transcript. You can then review the summary and use the information as needed. If you want the best results, make sure the transcript is complete and as clean as possible before pasting it into Claude. Don't forget to click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.